You want to tell us about your chicken flock?
Well, I have 4. They're all this year's, so they're fairly young. I have 3 Cochins and a Millefleur. Paris here is the Millefleur, and she's currently hopped up on broody hormones. But she is the friendliest in general. She really, really likes grapes. Those are her favorite thing in the world.
Look at that.
Of the Cochins, I have a Splash, which is Dainza the rooster. Lilo is a partridge Cochin. And Leuven is a buff Cochin. One of the biggest problems with them eating grapes is making sure they don't get a piece too big for them to swallow.
Did she ever get your finger?
Oh yeah.
So how many are laying eggs so far?
So far, I think 2. And I'm not sure why the 3rd one hasn't started yet, but... That's lasagna.
Burnt lasagna may not be on the menu.
The really stale crackers are.
They've been good pets so far.
They have. They're very friendly. Which is one of the traits of Cochins, is they're very calm, docile chickens. And Paris was also... She's got a similar disposition, but she was raised by hand. She and Dainza were. And the other 2, I think, were raised by pretty friendly kids. We've had them a few months now. My biggest problem now is building my chicken flock without getting any more roosters. Can you get down? Are you not sure about that?
She's having too much fun as is.
She just doesn't know what she's doing anymore.
So that is the chicken flock update, November 2016. Do you remember which month you got these?
Paris and Dainza came in April, and I'm guessing the other 2 probably hatched in May.
Looks like they're going in, huh? Let's go follow them in their house. Paris is thirsty. They like this water, it's been pretty good.
She just needs a lot of dry crackers, so... yeah.
They roost every night up on this pole. I need to get this on camera.
I didn't do that.
She just flew up there, I missed it.
I'm apparently expanding my hairstyling options.
Yes, what's going on here?
Some chicken grooming. I don't think she can hold on very well.
Okay. She's rather at ease. She's been a little crazy lately. Well, that is it for this chicken update. We'll bring some more in the future. They're going to finish off the crackers.
Oh, she found a grape.